I was called a vegetable whisperer. I'm very happy to listen the voice of vegetables. This is the truth of nature.
Well, today we are cooking food in a very traditional Buddhist way, shōjin cooking.
And the meaning is, shō is purify the body and the mind. And the jin is go ahead. This is root of Japanese cuisine.
We didn't use any machines. We just used the stove, pots, pans.
Ovens, anything, just stoves and hands. That's it.
Cook by hands, no machine. That's all noise for chef. And this is much stress for you, for ingredients. If you use a machine, only 3 minutes, we cannot feel the changing. Only result. It is no meaning for cooking. You are human beings. You are not machine. So we can feel many things. So this is chef. So before good chef, be a good human.
When I make tofu with the sesame, chef taught me I have to meditate while I make a tofu, and I never think about it. And yeah, that's really amazing experience today.
He's by far one of the most humblest chefs I've ever seen in my life.
It's good for your health and environment and the sustainability and mindfulness. This is new style of cooking in future, I think, I believe.